Workspace. Welcome to ZenInbox. Connecting your Google Workspace mailbox. Using IMAP SMTP. Easily integrate your Google Workspace, Gmail for Business, account with ZenInbox using IMAP SMTP for seamless email sending and receiving. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up your Google Workspace mailbox. Navigate to Mailboxes in ZenInbox. Click Add Mailboxes in the top right corner. Select Add Manually to proceed. Choose IMAP/SMTP as your connection. Type click. Next to continue. Enter your mailbox details. First name. Enter your first name. Last name. Enter your last name. Email. ID. Enter your Google Workspace email address. Click Next to proceed. Enable IMAP in Google Workspace. Log in to your Google Workspace Gmail account. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Since Google Workspace uses two-step verification, you need an app password for external email clients. Go to Google Account Security. Scroll down to Signing in to Google. Open App Passwords. Enter Custom Name and enter ZenInbox. Click Generate and copy the 16-character app password. You'll use this in the next steps. Configure IMAP Settings Username. Enter your Google Workspace email address. Password. Use the app password you generated. IMAP. Host. imap.gmail.com. IMAP. Port 993 SSL required. IMAP TLS. Toggle on to enable encryption. Click Next to continue. Configure SMTP settings. Username. Enter your Google Workspace email address. Password. Use the app password you generated. SMTP host. smtp.gmail.com. SMTP port 465 SSL required. SMTP TLS. Toggle on for encrypted email sending. Optional to set a different reply. To email, check the Set Reply To box and enter the desired email address. Click Next to proceed. You can create a custom email signature for outgoing emails. Click Finish to complete the setup. Success! Your Google Workspace mailbox is now connected. You will see a confirmation message. IMAP added successfully. Your Google Workspace mailbox is now ready for sending and receiving emails in ZenInbox. Enjoy a seamless email experience with ZenInbox.